How's everybody doing today? Got started here. It's a little cold here in Ohio, so I've brought the operation inside thanks to my beautiful wife and her permission, knowing I'm gonna wreck this den for a little while. So, got 19 hard drives here. I think I got one more I'm getting ready to add to it. So, been a little busy. These are mostly printer boards. That was a TV from the other day. But I had those two large printers out there in the shed. I wanted to break. Oh, let me show you this. You guys know the screens, and usually you got that black little blob there. It's the first time. Instead of a black blob, I had a flip chip. So yeah, thought I'd show you guys that. I did get one server in that last mess. Got these fingers. Gotta get it cut off. That's power boards. I got low grade boards in that black bucket and then trash there. Let's see, which one was this? This was the server board. Dual socket. Pretty nice. Pentium 2, I believe it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 BGA. And then this guy, of course, he's BGA too. But pretty nice board. I think being that it's a large socket server, it's going to put it around $4.25 a pound. And it probably weighs about 2 pounds. So that's easily an $8 to $10 board. Let's see here. CD-ROMs. Got like 4 laptops and a PS3 to take apart. And then you guys seen this. This was everything I had in the garage. Just brought it in so I can knock it all out. Just mix match of a whole bunch of different, like, power supply. Get rid of the wires, throw it in there. Printer ink, just got to cut that off and throw that away. That's done. It's another board off a printer. Little Cisco system. That ought to be okay. Well, if that was loose right now, I'd show you that board. But yeah, I've got a good little collection here we're getting ready to tear into. Of course, these are the ones I showed you out in the shed. And that's the one I showed you that was in the garage. So, out of this group of computers, there was, how many? 3, 6, 9, 13 computers total. I got 1 ceramic, couple Celerons, 3 black fiber. Oh, and let's see, 3, 4 slot, all flip chip slot. I think I'm at a good pound, maybe a pound and a half of RAM right now. Gold finger cards, doing pretty good this trip, I'll tell you what. Got, I don't know, there's probably 20 there. And then the server boards. These are so easy. Pop off the 2 tantalum, cut these, throw it in low value board. So, oh yeah, and then that's the CD-ROMs I still got left to take the boards out of. My granddaughter was helping me, so I had to go through and break the screws loose, and then she comes by after me and takes the screws out. There's my gloves. I was looking for those an hour ago. Anyway, the Pentium Pro. So I've already taken the power supply and the ribbon wire out. Thought I'd let you see. This is what it was like when I opened it. 7 cards, guys. You know, that last one I got, oh, what was it, 2 years ago? It had, I'm already taking everything loose here, just gotta wiggle it out. It had 4 cards in it. I've never had one with 7 cards. I had a server like that one time. Of course, I guess Pentium Pro, you could kind of call this a server. I didn't realize it'd be this hard. Okay, here we go. Where do we want to start? We'll start with you. I do not know. Pretty nice looking though. This guy has an extra board. Well, that's a pretty card right there. A lot of nice chips. Of course, you know, if E-Waste Ben was looking at this, he'd be like, that's going in my personal collection. Can't blame him, there's a lot of chips on there. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, you know what that was? That was just a monitor board, I think. Yeah, like one of the first graphics cards. Bing! PNG. RJ45. They already took the chip. Let's see. Not too horrible. Type of video decoder chip. It's cool when they tell you what it is. It's the one I've been particularly wanting to look at, if I can get it to move. That's my grandson in the back. He's doing an event or something on Fortnite. Pretty neat looking card there. Symbios Logic. Alright. Wow, those are some pretty thick chips right there. Is that sound card? Yep. And who made this sound card? I'm using the camera to like look at this because my vision ain't what it used to be. Assembled in USA, VFO. Alright. Now this guy. Alright. I'm going to put you down a second so I can get violent with this. Hang on just a second, guys. Ah! Hang on. Made in Taiwan. But look at all these pins. SIIG. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Hey Bob, turn it down. Yeah. He can't jam when I'm making a video. They'll strike me. Alright, let's see what we got. Silver. Well, not silver, tin. They're called silver, remember? Go! Let it be gold! Oh, silver. That's okay. I think it's still worth like $8 a pound or something right now. Alright. It's that time. You guys have been waiting for it. Nice and patient. Glad you guys kept your composure about you. Now, let's see if we can get him to pop off. One. That's two. There he is. All right. Let's see here. Hang on just a second. Okay. And here she is, all cleaned up. Let's see what we got here. 256. Which, if you guys seen Backyard Scrapping's recent video, there's a difference in the Pentium Pros. Let's see. There she is, guys, in all her glory. Goes for about $40 on eBay right now. Oh, so I dropped it. Man, bent legs. I guess I'm just gonna have to refine it. Man. Anyway, let's check out this board. Yeah, that doesn't work. Try popping a battery off with a Phillips head screwdriver. It's not that fun. Battery's gone. Large socket. So I think those are about $4 a pound right now. Let's see what we got left. Mitsumi. And then, what's that? Oh, that's right, tape drive. And I don't know if you guys know it or not, a lot of places will give you hard drive board price on tape drives. Some of them, they just pay you a little bit extra on them, but you got to check with your buyer. But they're always nice. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. We could pull her off real quick, check it out while I got you on here. If I can find my screwdriver. Actually, I think, yeah, it's down here. Had this pulled out. The old lady yelled at me. She busted her knee on it. So I gotta make sure I put it back. Yeah, doesn't that look professional? Just flipping and flopping all over the place. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, I can't remember. It was about 3-4 years. About 4 years ago, I got like 5 or 6 of these giant tape drives, and I swear every board was the size of one of these old CD-ROM, and everyone was thick, and everyone had gold fingers too. So those are nice. Got hard drive price for them, which right now I believe is about $11.50 a pound. Alright, hang on a second. Alright, anyway, here we go. And it looks like a hard drive, except when you flip it over, it has all that other stuff on it too. So like I said, some will give you hard drive price, some won't. Not much left to them after you take the board off. Let's see, I'll pull him off later. And I believe we've come to the end of the video. But hopefully I'll get started on these guys in the spring. Take them. Oh, I can't go out there without these. Other ones I'll deal with later. Alright. So, what do we got left here to do? Okay. That's my ceramics that need the caps pulled. BGAs. Or not BGA, black fiber. There's that. Of course, I still got to take that guy off. So yeah, we're gonna have pretty decent refine coming up in spring. But as you can see, we're nowhere near spring right now, guys. That's it. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. That's my dog Mac. She's a good girl. She's a shelter rescue. And Jones, you gonna come say hi? And this guy we got from our friends. He's our miracle dog though. He beat Parvo 3 days in intensive care, but he did it. He's kind of a weird dog now, but we'll just leave it at that. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.